Each desktop has an isolated session manager. The session manager is the main tool for managing the huge browser capabilities. Smart Search allows you to find the required sessions not only by name, but also by any other data, IP address, geolocation, or description. Click on the tags icon to show or hide the tags panel. Tags installed in sessions are visually active. Clicking on such a tag will display sessions that use the tag. Tap the notification icon if it's highlighted in red to view the information. Perhaps a session has been shared with you or a new update has been released. The ellipsis allows you to go to General Settings, view a list of hotkeys, restart the guide, or view information about the program, including the version of the kernel used. Depending on the selected mode, the Create a New Session button allows you to create a session in one click or use full creation. The parameters of the created session depend on the settings of the provider. Thanks to the drop-down list, you can change providers on the fly, creating sessions with many different configurations. In an accessible place, there are buttons for switching to the proxy manager, mass import, and mass creation of sessions. Use the top checkbox to select all sessions and switch to bulk action mode. In the lower menu, you will see the number of selected sessions and buttons for the main actions. Start, stop, check proxy, and set proxy from the proxy manager. Other mass actions for selected sessions are also available here. To deselect, use the top or bottom checkboxes. You can use the built-in filtering and sorting system to display sessions in the required order depending on their attributes, such as creation date, use date, or name. You can also filter sessions by geolocation of installed proxies and statuses. You can also customize the fields displayed in the manager, which will allow you to hide unused columns. Use the start and stop icons to start and stop sessions. During the startup process, the program will visually display the proxy verification process, after which the session will be launched if the validation was successful. Click on the icon displaying the session color to switch to full session editing mode. To change the name, just click on the corresponding field, then confirm the name change by pressing Enter or cancel it using Escape. To quickly edit a proxy, you need to click on the proxy field, then insert the desired proxy and press the confirmation icon or Escape to cancel editing. Use a double click on the session field to launch it or a single click to go to the window of an already running session. To return to the session manager, click on the name of the desktop you are using if you are using Smart Window Control, or on the logo in the left corner of the session window if you are using separate Windows mode. To check the proxy, use the validation icon, the proxy manager icon, and double-click on the required proxy to quickly install a proxy in the session. Click the IP change icon to change the address when working with proxies that support rotation. To change the session status, click on the status and select an existing one or create a new one, which will be installed immediately. Click on the cookies icon to quickly import a cookie file into the session. Select the required file and click the Import button. To change the description, click on its field and enter the description, saving it by pressing the Enter button. The pin icon allows you to pin the session at the top, and the ellipsis opens all the actions available for the session: full editing, importing cookies, exporting cookies, clearing all data, set proxy from the proxy manager, checking proxy, changing the IP, warming up, moving to another desktop, cloning, sharing to another user, pinning, and deleting. Read the documentation for more detailed information about the features of program management.